Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Medium publication settings for better reading UX, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Medium account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Publications. Choose the publication you want to configure. Click on the Settings tab located in the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various options to customize your publication. Begin with the general settings. Add a compelling title and description for your publication. Make sure they reflect the essence of your content and attract readers. Next, move on to the logo and cover image sections. Upload images that resonate with your brand. Ensure they are high quality and visually appealing. Scroll down to the publication URL. This is how readers will find your publication, so keep it simple and memorable. Now, let's adjust the social media settings. Link your publication to your social media accounts. This helps in sharing your content easily with a broader audience. Check the email newsletter settings. Enabling this will allow your followers to receive updates directly in their inbox. Customize the frequency of the emails based on your content schedule. Next, head to the SEO settings. Add relevant keywords to help your publication show up in search results. Remember, keywords should be relevant to your niche and audience. Finally, review the clap settings. Encouraging readers to clap can increase visibility on Medium. Ensure all settings reflect your publication's mission and values. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click on Save. Congratulations, your Medium publication is now optimized for a better read. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.